Let's begin this guided meditation, finding a comfortable position. You can be seated or lying down, making sure that your body is awake. Once you're ready, sit comfortably and take a second to check in with your breath. Begin with an inhale and exhale through the mouth. This meditation will be dedicated to attention to the breath. It is a moment to focus your attention on an item, in this case our breathing, to train our attention muscle. We don't intend to modify our breathing, nor to lengthen it, shorten it, or judge its quality. We simply want to observe its movement through the body. As you inhale, focus your attention on the temperature of the air, how it touches the tip of your nose, and how it travels through the chest, expanding the lungs, perhaps reaching your lower belly. On an exhale, begin to notice the difference of the temperature of the air leaving the body. You might notice how your shoulders lower down and your body sinks into its posture. As we carry on with our practice, you might notice your mind wandering. It might wander off to sounds, to colors, to images, memories of the past, or perhaps anticipation of a near future. All of these cognitive events are within us, and it is normal that they would catch our attention. And here begins our training. Every time you notice your mind wandering to a different place, to a different time, to an emotion, begin to gently bring it back, as if it were a child lost in a park that found its way back to safety. Grab it by the hand and guide it compassionately, without telling it off, without judging the fact that it left for a second. We can carry on with this exercise throughout our practice and also throughout our day. It might happen that our mind wanders in moments where we wish to concentrate on a task. It might wander off to unpleasant situations, conversations we've had, even remembering difficult times and emotions we lived through. Whenever this happens, remember this moment in your practice, and as soon as you notice that you've wandered off, gently, kindly, compassionately, walk back to your exercise, to your task, to the present moment. We will begin our exercise again with an inhale, noticing the temperature of the air traveling through the nostrils, moving along the chest and reaching the lower belly. Keep focusing on the sensation and the difference of the exhale. As the air leaves your body, your muscles relax, lower, deepen in the posture. Carry on for a few minutes, simply noticing, observing, being present within your rhythm of breathing. If during this time you caught your mind wandering off, moving to a different place or a different time or situation, that's okay. Kindly bring it back to catch your inhale or exhale, or wherever your breathing cycle might be right now, without wishing to change it, without judging these events, simply participating actively in your breathing. Whenever you're ready, gently begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. If your eyes were closed, softly open them and come back to your space. Thank you for joining me in this brief guided meditation. I hope you can find your focused attention throughout your day.